Welcome guys, welcome to Island Vibes. Welcome guys, welcome to Island Vibes, and we are here tonight. We're doing a backyard cooking out. We're jerking some jerk chicken and roast pork and the outdoor jerk. If you don't have a jerk, I'm also how to make and do it out here on the grill and the black with it. So check in and see what they want. I'll put it in the coal. In the coal of the fire. Yeah man, welcome guys. So I'm cooking today. We're cooking some jerking some chicken, roasting some pork, and cooking some rice with some callaloo and we're doing some coleslaw. Alright guys, so see what I made tonight. Alright, wanna get the fire going. They hang upside down in trees. So we take fire at Jamaica, guys, yeah man. That is it. So we take the fire, No joke. No joke, guys. That's how we do it out here in Jamaica. If you look at ganja split out here in the sunlight, in the moonlight, mad. This is what we're doing tonight, Sunday. Doing a backyard cooking out. Yeah man, you gotta cook jerk some chicken. That'll be nice. Jerk chicken with jerk pork, callaloo rice, and some nice coleslaw guys, and some soursop, banana, and peanut too. So let's see what they got guys. Come on, just see what's going on. Yeah man. Yeah.
Light is not on. The flashlight.
It's playing.
What? Can't see nothing.
Alright guys, you have to go through some stuff to make it in life. Because people not gonna like what you're doing, People gonna fight against what you're doing because they're not gonna like what you're doing. So people gonna fight because they're not gonna like what you're doing. So you have to still fight, you have to still hold up your head high and fight and watch people and don't think what people saying or doing. Just focus on your journey. Watch on the beautiful fire of the people. Look at it, my subscriber. Look at it, my subscriber. Look at the beautiful fire, man. Look at the little scenery. Yeah, man. Welcome, man. This is my backyard, and I'm here tonight with a bonfire, and I'm gonna jerk some chicken, guys. So you see what's going on, man. Just like, share, and subscribe. Man, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you up on the meat, up on the jerk. You see it? The jerk is coming on, guys. Barely catching, for real. Can't see Mary down there watch the fire. Yeah, man, he taking in the fire heat, So we're gonna do some cooking, some nice cooking and relax, watch the stars, taking some fire heat and stuff. Can't see fire burning, everlasting fire burning, guys. It's a fire can't out, can't quench, can't nothing. A real fire with the blaze. And we in our backyard today, Sunday. Enjoy the day, enjoy the night with the beautiful sunshine. Me and Mary having good times, alright? Yeah, man, look at my community. It's dark, but you can't see, but you can see around, yeah, man, for real. That is it, guys. See the little provision there? We have all purpose. We have a chicken season. We have all purpose with chicken season. We ketchup, with mayonnaise, with scallion, with pepper, with garlic, and anything, guys. Yeah, man, we have everything going on. We little provision, for real, man. See that? We're gonna do it. And see, there's lots of chicken, guys, chicken and pork, So you don't know, say, Epic thing, guys. Epic. Yeah, man, for real. Welcome back again, guys. Yeah, man, there, man, you see fire burning right out. No joke, guys. No joke around here for true, man. Can't see what they go on. See the grill, see the grill warm up, eh? Me like a homemade grill. Welcome, guys, and I'm preparing the pop chai to put in the rice, because I'm gonna make a vegetable rice today. I remember this is the pop chai, so we're cutting up the pop chai to put in the vegetable. To put in the rice, gonna make a vegetable rice today. Yeah, man, this is the pop chai, guys. Yeah, man. So finish right now, so I gotta get the rice and this seasoning and put it together. All right, check out now. So I check in back again. All right.
You want to push it or what? 3, go.
Welcome, guys. I'm here now. You can see the grill is up and going, and I'm gonna put on the whole Jamaica spice, the pimento leaf, and the grill. Get the grill seasoned up with the chicken. So that is it. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Out here, we are here with the chicken, and we're gonna roll it on the fire, guys. All right. So we have a breast and we have some haggis, and we have a really big breast, Real man, see there, really huge one. So we'll put it on the fire. Put it on the fire, make it go on grill. I see it and now. The smell it, oh God, people, even then they have to smell this aroma already. Mad that I pork, guys. The pork. It's the pork, guys. Yeah, man, the real piece. Drop it on the fire now, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, man, peas, drop it there. What the ancestors want peas, Eat there, guys. See there, me season it up with scallion, thyme, garlic, all-purpose chicken seasoning, pimenta, and my little pepper, guys. So, check out again. Check out, guys. And when you're gonna see when we stir it again. Check out.
Go.
Yeah, man, guys. And you see the chicken is on the fire with the pimenta underneath it. Now we're gonna put some more pimenta on top of it. And then I'm gonna put this zinc over it. This is my zinc what I use to steam my chicken, my pork. And this is my grill. I put it over like this and then it steams it. After it steams it and I turn it and then I take it off to get it crispy. This is my favorite jerk chicken. Check out. See when it turn again, guys.
Starting.
Come on, guys, taking off. You see it, guys? Yeah, man, this is it, guys. We're sprinkling some seasoned water over it.